Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Whoscall app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, so just click here on settings here, you just click on it, then you come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. So then you come here to copy to call, click in this sign, like you see this color show for us, that's mean copy to call, it's enabled with us now here. So that's all you have to do now. I wish now you I get it, that's all. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. Thank you for your watching.